Hey there, we're back with another watch overview. This is the one that I just built, assembled, and oh my god, did I screw this up repeatedly. I couldn't set the seconds hand on, I cut the stem length wrong, heck, even the hour and minute hand, I couldn't seem to get them correctly aligned. I couldn't get them straight. I couldn't get them level. Oh, God. But I persevered. I pushed through. And I am super happy with the result. It is obviously, Manta Ray dial, generic turtle case, 45 millimeter. Sapphire crystal, aluminum bezel insert with the bit of blue here, and an aftermarket dial, aftermarket hands. Yeah, this was my first attempt at taking a sterile dial and applying a Seiko sticker to it, and it worked really well. It kind of came on a little template that lets you kind of line up the top of the dial with the center hole of the dial, and it lets you place the logo pretty much exactly where you would need to get it straight, and it got really straight. So I was very happy with that, but I just love that texture, and I love the brightness of the blue. It's a really nice bright blue. I thought the dark Manta was a bit darker than I wanted. I really like the brightness of the blue, and it's a great feeling watch. Just a sterile case back, NH36 date, but yeah, it's just a really easy watch to wear. The bezel is light, but it's not too light, and it actually lines up. But it was just a bear to put together. But once the second hand is on, it's on. Like, it's, if you're happy enough. But geez, to get it that way, I was bending over backwards trying to get it stuck on there, using magnifying glasses and microscopes and the lights, 3 different lights at all different angles, but no, got on there eventually, as they always do. It's what I keep always telling myself when I'm assembling one of these, is like, it will go on. Eventually it goes on. So really happy with the hands. You can see how the minute hand, the syringe tip really goes right out to the edge of the chapter ring. It's quite long enough, but just that bright blue Manta Ray dial is really pretty. I don't have any blue watches. This is my only blue watch in the collection, and so far I'm really liking it. So there you go. Turtle Manta Ray clone, and yeah, it's just a fun way to assemble a watch without having to worry too much about it, because you know that if it breaks, you can fix it, you can replace it, and it gives you a bit of a connection with the watch. It's not just something you went down to the store and bought, or grabbed it offline on the internet somewhere. It's something you put your hands on, every little bit of it, the movement, the hands, the dial, the crown, the stem, everything. And yeah, that's my turtle Manta Ray. If you liked it, give me a like. If you want to comment, please do. And subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll see you in the next one.